Hello, I'm Indah Lutfiah. In this video, I will demonstrate rotation on transformation discussion. For the discussion of rotation on transformation, here I use geoboard and tactile protractor. This is a usual protractor, but it is already marked with tactile marks on each 10 degrees. With raised dots, blind student can calculate the distance, how much degree he wants. For example, 30 degrees, 90 degrees, and so on.
Sehingga siswa tunanetra dapat mengetahui di mana titik yang nilainya.
Rotation means turning or turning from the origin point to the image of the origin point. It can be turned counterclockwise or clockwise. For example, point A, 7, 3, rotation about the origin by 90 degrees. Then, what is A prime? By using geoboard, first I create the x-axis and y-axis with rubber bands.
Jarum jam. Kita misalkan saja titik A 7,3. Rotasi pada titik pusatnya 90 derajat. Maka berapa A aksennya? Kita menggunakan geoboard, kita pasang terlebih dahulu untuk sumbu X dan sumbu Y.
The origin point is O, 0, 0. Point A is 7, 3. It means that the value of x-axis is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the value of y-axis is 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's connect the origin point to the point A using a rubber band and turn by 90 degrees. 90 degrees means turning counterclockwise, so turn it to left.
Adalah berlawanan arah jarum jam. Berlawanan berarti ke arah kiri. Kita pasang.
I put the tactile protractor, start from the origin. Here, we calculate 90 degrees.
Kita hitung 90 derajat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, here is point A prime. Now, put aside the tactile protractor. Let's connect it using a band from the origin point to A prime.
Oke, kita hubungkan.
Now, let's calculate the value of point A prime. Well, we can calculate the y value.
Kita bisa menghitung nilai Y-nya. Karena di sini berada di wilayah sebelah kiri dari sumbu Y, berarti kita bisa hitung nilai Y-nya.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The value of y is 5.
Positif. Berapa nilai X-nya? Kita hitung.
What is the value of x? X value is located to the left side of the origin point, meaning that the x value is negative. The distance from the origin point is negative 1. So, a value with rotation by 90 degrees counterclockwise is negative 1, 5. Another sample problem, point A, 7, 3, is turned clockwise by negative 90 degrees. This negative mark means clockwise.
Dirotasikan searah jarum jam, yaitu negatif 90 derajat. Tanda negatif ini berarti searah jarum jam.
Let's take again the protractor and put it on point A.
Nah, busurnya karena searah jarum jam berarti ke arah bawah.
And and since it is clockwise, turn it downwards and count until 90 degrees.
Kita hitung sebanyak 90 derajat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is point A prime. What is the value of A prime when it is turned clockwise? Well, we can calculate the value of point A prime. We move along x-axis.
Sekarang kita hitung berapa nilai dari A aksen jika dirotasikan searah jarum jam. Nah, kita bisa hitung berapa nilai dari titik A aksen. Kita telusuri dulu ke arah sumbu X.
Now, we go in the direction of the origin point, shifting to the left. 1, 2, 3. So, the value of x is 3. What is the value of y? Since it is located at bottom right of the origin point, the value of y is negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So, the value of A prime is 3, negative 4. We can try working on other problems using geoboard and tactile protractor. With some angles of rotation, it can be 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, and so on.
Bisa 30, 60, 90, 120 atau sebagainya.
Okay, that's all about the rotation on transformation. Thank you.